Guys, do you know that I bake every week for a group of seniors? And this is the one bread that they request the most. These golden rolls are perfect for dipping in any soup, especially with the cold weather we're having right now. Oh, they're really perfect. You can also use them for sandwiches as well. So to make the dough in a mixing bowl, I'm going to start with 6 ounces of cold water. Add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. And with a spatula, I'm going to stir in the yeast to help it dissolve in the water. Then I'm using bread flour and then I add some salt. And make sure you combine everything well. To the yeast water, we're going to add half of the flour. Then I'm going to start mixing it vigorously so to obtain a soft paste. And now I'm going to add the rest of the flour. I'm going to mix it very well. And so I can obtain a sticky dough. You're going to see that in a minute. I remember my grandma waking up every Sunday morning to prepare this beautiful bread for us. I used to enjoy it. I used to appreciate it. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover the dough. I'm gonna let it rest for a good 3 hours. And this is what the dough looked like after 3 hours. It's doubled in size. So I'm gonna turn the dough into a floured surface because the dough is very sticky. So I'll place the dough gently onto the surface and I'm gonna use a scraper to scrape the dough gently. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and always activate the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming recipes. So this dough can make 5 cozy little bread. So I'm going to cut it into 5 pieces. So I have a tray with lined parchment paper. I'm going to line up these 5 pieces. And with a knife, I'm going to create some dent in the middle of the bread. And I will cover the bread for another 10 to 15 minutes before I bake them. And I will bake the bread for 25 minutes at 350 degrees.